Welcome to this AceReader speed reading software tutorial. This tutorial covers how to take self-paced reading comprehension tests with AceReader Elite. I'm first going to log on. Tests can be accessed from the course mode and the menu mode. The course mode will present you with periodic reading comprehension tests. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to access the tests from the menu mode, since the menu mode allows you to manually select exactly what you want to do. I'm then brought to the menu mode screen. To access the self-paced tests, just hover over that activity, and when you see that activity highlighted, just click. You can now select a test. By the way, when you're taking tests from the course mode, you won't see this screen since the tests are already pre-selected. Since we are taking tests from the menu mode, you need to select the test that you want to take. You first select a test set. Notice the test sets are broken into themes. You then choose a test within the test set. Notice that the names of the tests indicate the text complexity level. By the way, these red check marks indicate that you've already taken these tests. Once you have a test selected, just click the Begin Comprehension Test button. The first thing to notice is the speed reading stopwatch down in the lower left corner. It's small enough to not distract you from your reading, and you can quickly glance at it to see what your current reading speed is in real time. You no longer need to complete the test to see how fast you are reading. When you're done reading the story, you press the Done button to answer the comprehension questions. There are 4 questions per story for levels 1 and 2. Levels 3 to 13 have 8 questions per story. Notice that you can press the Back to Story button if you want. If you press the Back to Story button, you will go back to the story. Notice that the timer picks up where it left off. You are only being timed while you read the story, not while you're answering the quiz questions. You can then go back to the quiz by pressing the Back to Quiz button. You are able to simulate a real-world test since you are allowed to go back and forth between the story and the questions. The administration options allow you to show or not show the Back to Story button. When you are done answering the questions, you can press the Done button. You are then presented with a test results screen that shows you your correct and incorrect answers. You are also shown your comprehension score and reading speed for this test. Your reading speed and comprehension for this test is logged so that you can monitor your progress over time when you're looking at your test results. When you're done looking over your test results for this test, just press the OK button. It should be noted that you can create your own reading comprehension test with the administration functions. We will cover that in the administration tutorial. So there you have it. That's a quick introduction to taking the self-paced tests with AceReader Elite.